Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you the phrase, may I please ask. May I please ask in Shona, it's ndinokumbirawo kubvunza. Ndinokumbirawo kubvunza. So may I please, it's ndinokumbirawo. Ask, it's kubvunza. So, may I please ask it? Ndinokumbirawo kubvunza. So to respond to that, if someone is saying, may I please ask, or if someone is saying, ndinokumbirawo kubvunza in Shona, if you are allowing the person to go ahead and ask whatever they want to ask, you can say, hongu bvunzai henyu. So it's like you're saying, yes, you may ask. Hongu bvunzai henyu. Hongu bvunzai henyu. Okay, so as a recap, may I please ask, which is ndinokumbirawo kubvunza in Shona, ndinokumbirawo kubvunza, and the response to that, it's hongu bvunzai henyu. That is, yes, if you're saying yes, you may, or yes, you may ask. Ndinokumbirawo kubvunza, hongu bvunzai henyu. Yes, you may ask. This brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, to like our video, and leave a comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. Ndatenda.